Many people actually love the modern eases paid for to them by processed and also fast foods. There is something distinctly appealing regarding having the ability to realize that you are hungry and overfill that demand promptly with something that takes no longer than 5 minutes to either prepare or get and spend for. While that sort of way of living may be practical and definitely our Paleolithic forefathers would certainly have yearned for such a luxury to be the situation, all of us understand that there are numerous threats connected with it. We get what we spend for in terms of the important things we are sacrificing for comfort. Instead of taking the time to do points right for ourselves, we are paying other people so we can reduce corners and inevitably damage ourselves in the future. Thankfully, there are ways that even consuming paleo can be simple and also rapid. Some dining establishments might or may not use paleo choices, but it's much better not to stress over that and think the most awful. The most positive thing we can do is pre-prepare our dishes beforehand. So what are some simple ways that we can start to prepare paleo meals in half the moment, or instead, with one of the most benefit possible? Among the ways we can make going paleo a great deal faster is by purchasing frozen vegetables, or by purchasing veggies fresh ourselves, blanching them in warm water, and then freezing them on our very own terms. Another thing we can do is produce our own icy dishes. Soups and stews are astonishing for this sort of thing. You can additionally create sauces and keep them beforehand to make sure that you can use them in your paleo dishes without investing a lot of time on spices. An additional thing that can make cooking paleo foods convenient is in utilizing a stress stove. Pressure cookers guarantee that our meats are totally cooked in regarding half the moment they would generally prepare in a cooktop or in a slow-moving cooker. Nevertheless, crockery pots should not be disregarded, as throwing a couple of active ingredients in a crock pot and also calling it a day can be a great method to get incredibly mouthwatering meals also with extremely little job involved. We are all used to the luxuries and also eases of the modern-day centuries. Now and also age, it appears silly to ask a person to give up a lot convenience to go back to the Stone Age and also do things the means our forefathers once did them, the hard way. Thankfully, it truly isn't all that tough to do points in a simple and also natural manner in which can still taste delicious. You can also just throw some raw vegetables with each other in a salad, which can be really merely as well as easily done by currently having the veggies pre-cut and ready to access in your fridge. It does not have to take you throughout the day to enjoy a healthy meal. Adhere to these suggestions and also methods for benefit paleo design. More information, click the link below.